back to the stream. It's your boy Skids World. We're at Hush Compound. We're running RCF Lexus Swap 26B. That's 4 riders for y'all. So this is a side lap, and I hope you enjoy. I rate this place. It's really nice. Trying to get these outers, fill them outers. Got the We Have the merch. Link in description. Wanna see some more sick shit? Make sure you hit that like and subscribe to the world. Basically, I'm just chasing the replay of the run I just did on a drone, so yeah, this is pretty tight in itself. Basically what you see me doing is recreating shots that would be pretty difficult to get in the reel. To be honest, come on guys, I know you've got nice cars. There's so much smoke there. Niggas call me Snoop Dogg.
Governamente strapping the system.
Per usual, make sure you've got notifications switched on. Smash the like, smash the subscribe. See you in the next one, Skids World. I'm out.